So today I'll show you how you can make a simple robot by yourself and start making 2 to 5k daily for yourself without buying a robot without involving a lot of scammers out there wenye hawauzi robot. Legit, you can create yourself a good robot and start making money. So I'll make a very simple strategy, so ndio utaelewa how to make this robot in a very simple way. Alafu so let's just get into it. This is how you make the robot binary. So this is the live platform. Ukienda kwa binary boot unapata hivi. And just to start with, nikirun the robot right now, hapa hakuna kitu iko nayo. It's just how you find the platform. I run it like that. It will not run. So venye nimesema it doesn't exist because hakuna any contract umeweka na imejisimamisha yenyewe. So I want to create a very simple robot. Tuta create a robot that will be trading odd and even. I'll create a very simple one na utaweza kuelewa, and with time as we learn utaendelea understand how you create more complex robot, how you improve on risk management, and how you can beat the system. Yeah, trading, and you make around 5k per day. Very simple. So the thing is, let's get started. So the first thing, una set market unataka. So I can stay with that deriv. I take continuous indices. You can decide to take some volatility. You can take like volatility 551s, digits, even and odd. You can just try trade both. Then if we are to hitaji this one, can delete those. We shall be checking idio strategy. Very simple one. If the last digit in the correct market, wacha niwaambie which digit I'm talking about. When I show the charts, naona hii digit iko mwisho kabisa 4 3 5 1 0 8 6 6 5. That one, the last digit. So my strategy is, if the last digit is 1 or 3 or an even an odd number, so our strategy, even like I'm saying, the odd number like tuseme 1 3 or 5. Let's choose 3. If strategy itakuwa, if the last number is 3, I purchase odd, and if the last number is 4 or 8, let me use 8, I purchase even. Hivyo tu, I just put that as my strategy. So nitatumia very simple strategy. Hapa nakuja kwa logic ndio unaweka your strategy. Kwa hii watch and purchase your contract, hapo ndipo tunawekanga your strategy. Unakuja unaweka if what is the strategy. So remember, this is a drag drop coding method, so it's very simple. If kuja naangalia kwa ticks, then I check if first before I take this one, same if, then I come to hizo ticks analysis, the last digit. If the last digit tumesema 3, if the last digit is 3, I come hapa kwa math 1. If the last digit is 3, hapa you can write 3. Now if the last, now this is strategy. Do what? Purchase odd. Else, so this is saying kama itakuwa hivyo. Else if unaona maana nimeguza hapo. Else if the last digit is if the last digit is, let's say 8. If the last digit is 8, I come over kwa tick analysis again. The last digit math is 8. Do what? Purchase even. Can duplicate that. I kuja hapa niweke purchase even. Now that is the complete strategy. But before we learn this, we need to check kuweka a notification so that we can see whatever is happening. So I'll come to the tools, then hapa kwa music, come to notify us whatever is happening. I can notify so that we can see the last digit. So tuweke tick analysis, last digit is last digit. So itatusaidia kuona whatever the robot is analyzing, and this is a complete robot, very simple. Yeah, mambo ya kuweka martingale, risk management na making a very complex robot and that can actually milk the derivative market, I'll show you step by step as we continue learning. But this is a complete simple robot that is working, so we can test this. But tuweke stake ya ngapi? This, remember to always create a demo on a demo account to run a robot, to test a robot on a demo account. So we can stake $10. Ticks tuweke ticks kama 3 2 ama tuweke 2. Remember haina martingale because it's just a simple one, just to show you how it's simple to make yourself a robot. So in a trade odd and even, ponaona nimeweka both, so you can run the robot. You can see these last digits huku, unaona 3, unaona hiyo 3, so it's telling you the robot is working na ishapata one condition, imetrade digit odd, so we have lost that contract. Another one, so you profited on that. Kama ingekuwa na martingale sasa tungekuwa deep in profit, but that one is a lesson for another day. It's checking for the condition. You can check at this point, inatafuta the conditions zenye tumeiambia as our strategy. Unaona, this is what now it is doing. Unaona another trade for digit odd, trade type. Let's see how it trades that one. Profit, another profit. Yeah, and you can see the robot is working, so we are now at $10 profit. Yeah, a very simple robot, sijafanya mambo mingi. Yeah, so $18 in profit, no martingale, simple, and it's as simple as that. And we can see that it's working. Naona $28 profit, 4 wins. Yeah, stake ni $10, and that is how you can create a very simple robot, a very simple strategy. Yeah, mambo ya martingale na nini nitaonyesha on the next video. Sasa ensure if you are interested in forex trading, currency, synthetic indices, binary, crypto, this is the account you must follow. Follow this account because information I always give for free. Kama ni Signal, I'm giving free live on TikTok. Kama ni live robot, I'm teaching you for free how to make them. Kama ni crypto, any airdrop which is legit, wachana hizo zenye mascams. I'm always the guys who give you the best information, and any trick that you need, kama ni kwa currency, about liquidity, hiyo mambo yote in my account. That's only the place where you find them. Till next time nikiendelesha, and if you are interested on this, nitaangalia venye watu wamekuwa interested. I'll know whether I'll continue with this content. I'm showing you how to create this robot, and you can see it's a very good robot.